Okay, this is the HP, a broken hinge, a very popular issue on these guys, unfortunately. This is the way it came in. So we are going to actually replace the entire top panel. As it is cheaper to buy the whole laptop secondhand than to buy a new LCD assembly. Okay, let's go. I think the screen was fine on this. Let's verify that before I continue further. Ah, screen is correct anyway. Jesus. Okay, no need. I was thinking maybe we can repair this unit later, but we need another complete assembly. Maybe we can source one off in China cheaply. We shall see. We don't know. We'll give that a good clean. Disconnect the battery. Okay, take a quick photo of the setup. Okay. Okay, give that a quick clean. If you know where the cooler is, the fan is. That's okay. So this is another one we got. Same model apparently. Looks like this has been opened. Probably. This is their one. They broke the battery connector. The mink monks. And what have they done here? You wonder what shady thing they've done here? No idea. I don't care as long as this screen works. Okay, good, good. Okay, that's theirs. Bring in their one. clean the back cover as well. Sometimes I think my simple jobs go bad because I'm recording. As I record, the problem gets deeper. Maybe backlight or battery or some other weird issue happens. It's like repairs from hell. Hopefully this one is a straightforward process. And I don't have to deal with anything else once this is all reassembled. Good to go. Okay. Minor bump there. There's always something not right. Okay. Yep. Minor bump here. Fucking hell. Why do you have such a big major bump there? Why? Why is it like that? Okay. Get both of these sides here. They're a minor bump. Okay. Okay, great. Check the screen quality. Fingerprints. All out. And touch is not working. They may have disabled it. Okay, that seems to be good, but I'm not sure about the touch, so I'll double check the device manager. Hopefully it is not in any way, if you like, hopefully it's just disabled. If there's any issues, I'll make another video. See you in the next one.